solve the following quadratic equation by completing square method. Now before this, in the previous video I had taken a similar type of question, that was a type 1. This is a type 2. In type 1 the coefficient of x square was 1. Okay, now it is more than 1. So what we have to do, okay, just see here, we have question 5x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So in this case, first we are going to make this coefficient of x square as 1. Okay, so how we are going to make it? See, whatever is the coefficient, we should divide by the same number. Okay, here it is 5, so I will write divide by 5 on both sides. So I will get here 5x square upon 5 minus 4x upon 5 minus 3 upon 5, it is equal to 0. Now this will get cancelled. So we have x square minus 4x upon 5. Now this minus 3 upon 5, this is a c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This c I will take on right hand side. I will get it plus 3 upon 5. Now for completing square method, I have to find out the third term. Okay, so how I will find out the third term? Tt stands for third term. It is equal to b square upon 2. So this is b upon 2 the whole square, in fact. So I have b, you can see here, it is minus 4 upon 5. Okay, so I will take minus 4 upon 5. Okay, now I have here divided by 2. So I will take divided by 2 the whole square. Now students, here how to do this? See, minus 4 upon 5 divided by 2, it is same as minus 4 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 1 if nothing is there. So I will write minus 4 upon 5. This divide will become multiply and this will become reciprocal. It will become 1 upon 2. So we will get as minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 upon 5, 2 is 10. Okay. So in this step, what I am going to do, I will write like this: minus 4 upon 5 into 2. These 2 I will bring it with 5. Okay, I can take it directly. Just understand this step. Okay, this 2 is there. This is a whole divide upon 2. So that 2 I have taken in the denominator. So now I am going to take its square, and now I can cancel this also. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So square of minus 2 is 4 upon 25. So I will add this on both sides. So I will write here add 4 upon 25 on both sides. So I will get x square minus 4x upon 5 plus 4 upon 25, it is equal to 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. Now the next step, I will take the square root of this, that is x the whole square minus 4x upon 5 plus the square root of this 2 upon 5 the whole square, it is equal to, we will add this. We can do this in 2 steps, either LCM method or we can do cross multiplication. Here we will do cross multiplication. 25 3s we get 75 plus 5 4s is 20 upon 5 5s is 125. Now I will take the factors of this, or directly I will take in bracket this x square square root and this square root, that means 2 upon 5 only. Okay, so I have in bracket x, the middle term sign minus 2 upon 5 the whole square, it is equal to, this is, if I add it, I will get it as 95 upon 125. Now we can even reduce this. Okay, we have a common multiple 5. So if I cancel this with 5, I will get 5 1s are 5, carry up 4, 45. So 5 9s are, and here I will get 25. 5 into 25 is 125. So in the next step, I will get x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square, it is equal to 19 upon 25. So I will take square root. Taking square root on both sides, I will get x minus 2 upon 5, it is equal to plus or minus square root of 19 is square root of 19 only, upon square root of 25 is 5. Now I have either x minus 2 upon 5, it is equal to root 19 upon 5, or x minus 2 upon 5, it is equal to minus root 19 upon 5. So I will solve this first. X, it is equal to root 19 upon 5. I will get this as plus 2 upon 5, or x, it is equal to minus root 19 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. I can still further simplify it. This is the final answer, but still I can write, if I take one more step, x is equal to, because the denominators are same, I can write it as root 19 plus 2 upon the whole 5, or x is equal to minus root 19 plus 2 upon the whole 5. So this is our final answer. Okay, now we have second question. Okay, I am taking one more question. 9y square minus 12y plus 2, it is equal to 0. So before solving this, okay, I would like to tell you that if you have any queries related to maths 8th, 9th, 10th, okay, we have a free WhatsApp support. Okay, just note down our number. It is 8928. We have 9957773. So if you have any queries, you can contact us, or you can send your queries at this WhatsApp number 8928995773. So we'll continue. We have 9y square minus 12y plus 2, it is equal to 0. Again the same steps. We have 9 here, so I am going to divide by 9. Divide by 9 on both sides. So I have, you can do it directly also if you want. 9y square upon 9 minus 12y upon 9 plus 2 upon 9, it is equal to 0. In the next step, 9 will get cancelled. I have y square minus 12y upon 9, it is equal to, this will go on right hand side, it will become minus 2 upon 9. Now the next step, we will find out the third term. Okay, third term, it is equal to b upon 2 the whole square. We have b, it is equal to minus 12 upon 9 divided by 2 the whole square. As I have told, I will take minus 12 upon 9 multiply by 2 the whole square. We can cancel here, 2 1s are 2 6s are, so minus 6 upon 9, still it can be cancelled. You can see here 3 2s are and 3 3s are, so we have minus 2 upon 3 the whole square. If you take it square, it will get minus 2 square will get 4 upon 9. Okay, so now we are going to add up 4 upon 9 on both sides. We will get, I can write here, add 4 upon 9 on both sides. We get y square minus 12y upon 9 plus 4 upon 9, it is equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. In the next step, y the whole square minus 12y upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 the whole square. And here we can directly do the addition here. we have denominator same, so minus 2 plus 4 we will get plus 2. So we have 2 upon 9. Now in the next step I am going to take the square root of y minus 2 upon 3 the whole square, it is equal to 2 upon 9. In the next step I am going to take the square root, so I will write here taking square root on both sides, I will get, we have y minus 2 upon 3, okay, its square root, it is equal to plus or minus, for root of 2 we will have root 2 upon 9 square root we have 3. So I can write either y minus 2 upon 3, it is equal to root 2 upon 3, or y minus 2 upon 3, it is equal to minus root 2 upon 3. So I will solve it. Here I will have y, it is equal to root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, or y it is equal to minus root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Now the last step will have y is equal to, denominators are same, so I can write root 2 plus 2 upon 3, or y it is equal to minus root 2 plus 2 upon root 3. So these are our final answers.